Hey guys, it's Liz. Right now, as you can tell, I'm at home, and right now I'm watching Game of Thrones, and um, yeah, I'm watching Game of Thrones, um, and I'm already on season 2. I just started season 2, only on the first episode, so yeah, I didn't get that far. I'm about to play some World of Warcraft. Just set it up. I just set my setup up and everything. So yeah. All right. So right now it's about like 9:50. Um, and I actually forgot about vlogging today. I've been so into um I've been so into come on, stay on the fucking bed. Thank you. Yeah, I'm cranky today, as you can tell. But yeah, I completely forgot about vlogging because I've been so into playing World of Warcraft and watching Game of Thrones that I honestly forgot. And I'm not gonna deny it. I forgot. I forgot. Um. So yeah, my sister was like, "Oh, I've been knocking for like a minute or a couple minutes." And I was like, "How the hell am I supposed to hear you? I got my headphones on." And she got mad because someone deleted the one of the movies on one of the things on the DVR. Um, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Which is, I don't know why she recorded it. It's a stupid kid movie. And she got mad. She's like, who deleted my movie? I'm like, I don't know. I delete what I record. Um, then she got mad. I was like, I'm gonna start fucking deleting shit that other people fucking record. And I'm sitting there thinking to myself, go ahead and delete my shit. I'm gonna be wreaking some fucking havoc up in here. And I'm not even fucking joking. She deletes my shit, I'm gonna fucking hurt somebody. I record my shit, and I would like for nobody to touch my shit. I don't know who touched her fucking Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. You can fucking buy it. Like, or you can buy it FYI at the mall. So yeah. But yeah. So yeah. She got mad and oh, just gets on my nerves. But if she deletes something of mine, I'm gonna hurt somebody. I'm not even playing. All of my stuff is mostly. Sorry if my the thing's shaking. I was moving my leg. I have to like. Sometimes I don't know if you can see. My leg is bouncing up and down. That's what's causing the camera to kind of shake. But yeah. Um. All my recordings are mostly my wrestling shows that I haven't even. Um. Abby, come on. I've fucking loved you all day. Oh, that's the wrong end. Um, she's not like, no, I'm not even joking. Just non-stop up in my shit. Um, yeah, I'm talking about you. Um, so yeah. Fuck. And yeah, today's Monday. Not even watching it because I've been so into. My back is fucking itchy. I've been so into World of Warcraft, or not World of Warcraft, Game of Thrones. Hold on. It's gonna get really noisy. Okay, so right now I'm gonna end the vlog. It's about 10:07. I'm tired. And I'm really tired. I'm just mentally and physically drained. My back is still bothering me. I mean, it's not as bad as yesterday, but my back does still bother me. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here and call it a day until tomorrow. Shit. So yeah. Hold on, guys. I'm just gonna. Look, they like. This is. I have to take this headphones off. Alright, so this is the actual like DVD part where they have it in. They had it in a case right here where you just kind of slip it inside there. You can kind of grab it there. Then they had it in there. They triple, quadruple cased that thing, and it is ridiculous. Alright, so I'm turning it off. Alright, so I'm gonna hold on. Alright, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's 10:17, and I'm just filling up my water bottle, and I'm gonna go right to bed. So yeah, I'm tired, so I'm gonna get this video uploaded before I fall asleep. So I hope you guys liked the video. Like, subscribe, favorite, share with your friends and family, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. And I hope you guys have a great night, a great day. My cat is rubbing up against my legs. Hi. So yeah, and I hope to see you all tomorrow, alright?